Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check out the current weather on the Bing Your AI Copilot application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, click on the home button down below in the left side corner of the screen, and then tap on this weather option below the search bar. Tap on continue down below, and here you can see your location at the top, the current weather, and here you can see the hourly forecast, the 10-day forecast. And as you scroll down, you can check out the map, today's details, including the highest and lowest temperature, precipitation, maximum UV index, visibility, humidity, pressure, and so on. Here you can see daylight hours, the moon phase. We can check out the health and activities information such as clothing, wind, chill, outdoors, umbrella, UV index. Here you can see your nearby weather news. And basically, that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.